afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. You find me here today over on Boardman Street, which is a lovely quiet cul-de-sac located in the centre of Eccles, with this fantastic, beautifully presented, extended period 3-bedroom semi-detached property. Now, the current vendors have owned the property since 2019 and have fully renovated throughout, including rewire, replumb, extended to the rear. You've got 3 fabulous double-sized bedrooms. The master complete with a dressing area and an ensuite, 2 reception rooms and a fabulous extended kitchen, living, dining space. Now, we've just come through the entrance hallway. Already you will notice the beautiful period features scattered throughout. Heading on into the second reception room, beautiful original fireplaces, stunning high ceilings, high skirting boards and a cove-in. This room, as you can see, is used as a playroom. It's obviously a very versatile space. And you can add whichever use you need. But then on through to this impressive open plan kitchen, living, dining space. Absolute heart of the home. You've got integrated appliances, it's beautiful herringbone engineered wooden floor, ceiling lanterns, along with the French doors, just allowing floods of natural light through the room. You've got the ceramic sink, integrated dishwasher, the electric hob with the sunken extractor perfectly placed in the island, and then further units surrounding the fridge freezer. Convenience is always important, so there is the addition of the guest WC, beautifully presented as with the rest of the house, and then just through the door on my left takes you down to the cellar. You've got 2 chambers in there, along with plumbing for utility. Now we are on the second floor of the property. 3 double bedrooms, as I mentioned, 4-piece stunning family bathroom suite, and then that master with the dressing area and ensuite bathroom. So the smallest of the 3 doubles, which we've just been in this gorgeous family bathroom. 3 standing tub, sat perfectly beneath the window. Original features in here once again. And the sash windows have been put back in. That gorgeous hard wood door. Plantation shutters throughout. Just finish off the curb appeal for this stunning home. Now, location wise, as I mentioned, we are over on Boardman Street, which is literally just a short walk into Eccles Centre, where you'll find train, tram and bus routes taking you further afield. You've got excellent local schooling on your doorstep, outstanding and good rated Ofsted schools literally just a short walk across the road, along with Eccles recreation playing fields. It's a fabulous family home. Now, we are in the master bedroom, as you can see, built-in shoe storage. The dressing area just hidden behind the 2 doors there. Beams of light flowing in through these double windows. And then on through to this beautiful ensuite bathroom. Complete with marble, Calcutta, amber tiles. Got your vanity unit and the WC and the shower just behind. This is the most beautiful property which is coming to the market. Perfect for both first-time buyers along with families. If you're interested, get your viewing booked now by giving the office a call on 0161 707 4900.